Packing smart can make or break your trip. Whether you're traveling for business or adventure, here are the must-have travel essentials to keep your journey smooth and stress-free. Let's dive in. First things first, documents. Always carry your passport, visa, if needed, travel insurance, and a copy of important IDs. A travel wallet keeps everything organized. Also, don't forget a credit card with no foreign transaction fees and some local currency for emergencies. Choose a lightweight, durable suitcase or backpack. Packing cubes are a game changer for keeping your clothes organized and maximizing space. Pro tip, roll your clothes instead of folding to save space and avoid wrinkles. Tech essentials? A power bank to keep your devices charged, a universal travel adapter for different plug types, and noise-canceling headphones for a peaceful trip. Also, download offline maps and important travel apps before you go. Keep toiletries travel-friendly. Use TSA-approved containers if you're flying. Always carry basic medications, hand sanitizer, and a small first aid kit. You never know when you'll need them. Long flights or road trips. A neck pillow, eye mask, and comfy clothing are lifesavers. For safety, use an RFID blocking wallet to protect your cards and a TSA-approved lock for your luggage. And there you have it. Pack smart, travel easy, and enjoy every moment of your trip. What's your must-have travel essential? Let us know in the comments. Safe travels.